Triumph Street Twin. Best cruiser motorcycles for beginners. So you're a new rider looking at a cruiser bike? This is a great choice. Cruisers are great first bikes for several reasons. We bet you'll love the performance, lightweight, and yes, the style. Some of the best cruisers for beginners combine all of these. Think urban chic, a edgy vibe, and a laid-back attitude. And the best part is that entry-level cruisers look and feel just as powerful as their larger counterparts. In fact, some of the best cruisers are perfect for beginners to grow into. As you ride more and more, you will develop your skills. Once that happens, your entry-level cruiser can start to feel like a serious road bike capable of almost anything. If you choose your first beginner cruiser wisely, chances are you'll ride it for years before you want to upgrade. Top choice for best starter cruiser motorcycle. Although the entry-level motorcycle market is huge, we've looked at some classics that are lightweight and mid-powered. Then we evaluated the reliability of the bikes. We also looked at the most recognized brands and models. Finally, we factored in price. As a new rider, you probably won't want to part with $10,000 or more for your new bike. Without further ado, here are our top picks for beginner cruiser bikes. Triumph Street Twin. Triumph Street Twin, best cruiser motorcycles for beginners. We've talked classics, heritage, and nostalgia, but let's not forget cruisers also come in café racer styles. We love the Triumph Street Twin, a British stunner that's extremely forgiving for new riders. It's got a 900 cubic centimeters engine that's smooth and steady but snappy when you want it to be. The weight is great for the power ratio, sitting at 476 pounds, and the ergonomic design makes it one of the best beginner cruiser motorcycles. At the price point of $9,300, you'll get a bike that will boost your confidence and serve you for years to come. It's got several nifty features that will help you along as a new rider. For example, there's the torque assist system that'll make your clutch easier, and it's got traction control and ABS, so you'll never need to worry about slipping wheels. The Triumph Street Twin makes for a fantastic beginner cruiser because of its power and weight ratio, design, and reliability. But it also looks absolutely incredible with its edgy design and sleek looks, so if you're about style as much as comfort, this might just be the bike for you. Triumph Street Twin pros and cons. Pros: excellent design and build, confidence boosting, reliable, smooth throttle response. Cons: less budget friendly than other beginner cruisers, may be slightly too powerful and heavy for first-time riders. Specs: engine, 900 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 8-valve, SOHC, 270 degrees crank angle parallel twin. Power, 65 HP. Bore X-stroke, 84.6 mm x 80 mm. Compression ratio, 11.001. Fuel system, fuel injection. Starter, electric. Exhaust, brushed 2-into-2 exhaust system with twin brushed silencers. Clutch, wet, multi-plate assist clutch. Transmission, 5-speed. Final drive, O-ring chain. Suspension: front, KYB 1.6 in, 41 mm, forks, non-adjustable with cartridge damping, 120 mm travel. Suspension: rear, KYB twin RSUs, with adjustable preload, 4.7 in, 120 mm, rear wheel travel. Brakes: front, single 12.2 in, 310 mm, floating disc, Brembo 4-piston fixed caliper, ABS. Brakes: rear, single 10 in, 255 mm, disc, Nissan 2-piston floating caliper, ABS. Tires: front, cast aluminum alloy multispoke, 2.75 by 18 in. Wheelbase, 55.7 in, 1,415 mm. Trail, 4.03 in, 102.4 mm. Seat height, 29.9 in, 760 mm. Dry weight, 436.5 pounds, 198 kilograms. Essential for cruiser owners. Now that you have our top 5 tips on the best bikes for beginners, let's talk about some essential things to keep in mind. Here are some things to remember as a new bike owner. 1. Maintain your motorcycle. Buying a bike is the first step, but regular servicing is key if you want to keep it in top condition. As a new rider, you may want to trust your dealer and leave the service to the professionals. However, if you're mechanically minded, Check out our motorcycle maintenance tips for beginners and take care of your bike yourself. 2. Get good equipment. Riding a motorcycle is fun, but it also carries some risk. As soon as you buy your first motorcycle, be sure to invest in quality protective motorcycle clothing. Sturdy ankle boots, protective pants and jacket, gloves and a good helmet are a must to stay safe on the road.